Easy DIY sock puppy. Look at that cute little puppy.
Big H,
Little I.
cutie.
Hi. Try to get up here. There'll
Lift the sock.
and there, at the end, part of the end, there'll be a banana called Mr. Banana.
It has no eyes.
Yeah.
So, so first, you trace all your thingies with a pencil. We just did it with instead of like our sock bunny episode, we didn't do it with pencil because you couldn't see it. So
Yeah, because there's too much stuffing. Too much,
fluffy.
yeah. And now, you don't exactly trace it. My mom just didn't see it, so she just did it like that. She put that swing back legs.
Which she will use for her Superman superpowers.
No, it's not.
Or for her cute, adorable, I will eat food or else.
There's the body. Cut outside the thread lines. My mom just guessed where it is because
It's so fluffy.
yeah. Cut a hole to
Flip the sock, and that's where you're gonna be putting in your stuffing.
Yeah.
Don't the colors look like cotton candy?
Swing the other sock for the head and ears. Not the same one. Another sock. If
You
you
don't have to copy everything that the thingy says. And then you tie a knot at the end to make sure it doesn't
it looks like
fall out.
a frowny face, right?
Frowny face. Where?
But actually,
And then you cut the two ears in half, but don't actually cut it through the thread.
flip all.
You move everything? Everyone?
The
Every
ears
piece.
don't need stuffing unless if you want it to stick out.
Like a jet plane.
Adding
Stuffing to the head, body, and tail. When you put in stuffing in the tail, when you flip and put in stuffing inside the tail, you should use a pencil or some other thin, sharp object to help push it in. And make sure to use the bag, or else you'll have some dirty, dirty marks on your little baby tail.
No, it's not.
Who cares?
Because you can't even see it.
Can you just put... And then...
Swing.
Sewing tail. Oh no, it looks like we
Sewing tail.
forgot it.
You're supposed to sew the inside. You need
And then flip it.
Flip it, but my mom couldn't do it, so you have to do it with a pencil, but not the sharp side where you draw it on.
Exactly just that. I told
The
them.
tail doesn't need a lot of stuffing. Close the opening of the body.
You're gonna put the head where you close the hole. So make sure you still know where it is. Or else. Ba-bum-ba-dum.
Don't sew it all the way.
I'm thinking of yoga right now to make me more energized. And then you sew the head on.
Sew the head just like in our bunny video. You have to sew the head first.
And then you get to poke it in to make so you don't have to get up and get scissors, even though it's already there. And then go back and forth and back and forth.
Just
and
like the
back
bunny
and
head.
forth.
But this is not a bunny head. It's a puppy head.
And if you haven't watched the video, don't think we're crazy because we did make one.
Exactly.
Attach the head to the scar spot.
It's not actually a score.
It's just a sewed spot. Like
There's
your-
my hand.
Don't. Oh, Mr. Banana's gonna come out soon because at the end, my little brother's trying to make it perfect.
Mr. Banana.
Nah. Mr. Bonini, Mr. Bonini.
Mr. Banana has eyes, but now it's gone.
Mr. Bonini. I still say Mr. Bananas, Mr. Bonini.
I have
That's
eyes, but I don't think that's enough. Yay, I have a nose too.
He's not giving up.
Ah!
He took all the eyes. What will our puppy do? Oh, he gave it back. No, Banana Man took the eyes. Police, arrest him. Puppy police,
Don't
attach the ears.
Easily.
Did anybody call the puppy police?
No.
You rude. You're just gonna watch your puppy stand there blind.
Now we're sewing it. Sewing the ear on.
I think Mr. Banana got taken away by the puppy police. Which, in other words, is me. Attach
sewing
the other ear. Don't worry about making the ears perfect because since it's so fluffy,
We put no stuffing in the ear, so it is floppy.
Justin,
But
you
it's
already
not
told them
so
that.
floppy.
And if you didn't get a fluffy sock, be more careful with the sewing. But my mom's not being as careful as she usually would be because it's fluffy and the stitches won't show.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then you put on the
We're
eyes.
done with the body and the head. All we have to do is
Did you see that Mr. Banana escaped from puppy jail?
eyes.
Somebody call the police! He's trying to steal the eyes and the mouth! Ah! And now you attach the eyes. He'll never get that one.
Well, he could get one, but he doesn't
And
exactly
then?
like.
And then we finished tying on the eye. And look, we found another eye from the puppy treasury. Oh, I am sewing on the eye so nobody can get it. Personally, I don't care if the Banana Man steals the nose. I don't really care.
I see. Where's the nose? Oh, there's the nose. But it actually looks cuter with the nose. We're attaching the nose.
You don't have to say it like it's the party of the year. Or maybe it is, because that means Banana Man's in puppy jail again. So cute! Oh my, I'm a little puppy, 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 puppy. I'm a little puppy that has no owner.
Arf. Arf.
No, it's not arf. It's... And arf, arf is very unrealistic. Arf, arf, arf. Arf, 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 arf. And then attach the tail. Finally! Oh, it's so cute. I personally wanted to put a clip on it, but nobody would let me.
Subscribe, please. See you in another video. Done.
Big H, little I.
Look,
It's a little
doggy.
ribbon. Oh, and
Playful learning, paper, toys, and art.
here's a sneak peek at our next video. Bookmarks! They're animal bookmarks. We like animals.
Exactly.
Exactly. I'm gonna have yogurt after this.
Me too. I'm hungry. Bye.